Good morning. It's that time of year, cleanup time in the topper sheds. Topper sheds are going bye-bye soon. I bought 2 new sheds from the local school to put here. Kind of like my eBay shed, like a little barn thing, kind of. Don't quite know where we're putting them. I bought one for Dad and Mom for Christmas. I bought one for myself to put my lawnmower in and that other kind of stuff. So I need to get these out. I need to empty all this stuff out, figure out what I can sell, clean up, get ready, put it on the auction, sell to get rid of that I don't need. I can put a little extra money in my emergency fund. Taxes kind of hit pretty hard. So I'm gonna clean up this stuff here. See what we got. We got this pressure washer. I don't know the story on that. I got it from Uncle Dan, dropped it off. I don't know if it's blowing up or what is the world with that. This thing here, I got it running on Star Fluid. It's a pretty nice unit. Bought the auction for like 35 bucks. It's got a battery start, but the battery is dead. I thought it'd be nice for weed whacking, but to be honest, I do not weed whack very often, so it's not really my thing. So I don't know. See what we can do with it. You can get rid of it or sell it or something. The wheels turn too down here. You can turn the wheels somehow like that. See? So it didn't bring much because it didn't run and it looks just dirty. So if you clean it up, water, a hose, and soap, I'll bring an extra 50 bucks probably. See if the Toro runs, see if it starts. I haven't been in there yet, so I don't know where the key is. I got the jumper pack. I think I brought the keys in my pocket. Go see what's in here. Back tire looks a little low. We'll get it out here. And we got Dad's tiller. We got that old Foley push lawnmower. We can get rid of that thing. That's a beaut. The air tank don't really need. I think there's somebody needs the air. Dixie chopper, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I don't really need it. It's kind of on the last leg, in and out. Anybody want a Dixie chopper? Let me know. Some guy watched and said he wanted a Dixie chopper, and they never said anything. It needs to be in a museum. Some old Model T parts found at Romans. Part of a still. I wonder who made that. Trailer tires. Chains. Not too much in this one that has to like declutter, throw away. But there's a few things. You can cram a lot of stuff in a topper shed if you have to. Running, it turned over. Last year when I got the thing running, it had so much like carbon monoxide or something, I couldn't even breathe. My eyes were watering. I couldn't see what I was doing. There's something messed up with it. starter took it? No, starter quit or what? Come on. Now we gotta find something to hit the starter. I got both lawnmowers out there running. All I got left in there is a tiller. Then there's a few little shelves and trinket things I have hanging up there. This is like one of the first buildings to move down here with these topper sheds. If you're a Royalton resident, you'll remember Gene Larson had that old Mazda dealership out of Royalton. These were at his place. And yeah, I think this one here was from a Monier, maybe. No, there's a different guy, whatever. But yeah, these first one, these are like my little garage I had here. So take down this little aluminum shelf, that little shelf, take that down, the shelf for extra good. The plastic thing going to recycle, piece of wood going to wood pile. Take some of these screws out that I have in to hold stuff up. Need to take the tiller out, the air tank, probably the old paper towel holder over here, and the old mirror. Take that down. And then kind of go through it and see what's left of it. I even had an air conditioner in here at one time. There's a hole in the side over here, an air conditioner in there. I got from the auction or something. Had it wired. I think I had some sort of a heater in here in the winter. Where I learned myself to do small engines. There's a piece of old hardwood floor that we took out of Mom's old granary in where Tess lives. Well, got everything all emptied out now. So a lot of stuff just threw away. Other stuff just put outside or put over in that side over there for now. So someday I'll have to finish tearing this thing apart when I have more time. And see how that goes. Talk to you later. Bye.